3, 2, 1. Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. And in fact today we're going to be diving into a Shiba Inu video, and guys, look at this. We have in fact done some pretty crazy moves, and it looks like we could be on our way to the upside and we can go much further high from here. In fact, if we go to our highest high by using the monthly chart, we could still got another 92% move to the upside. However, if you like to measure to the top of the wick, that's another 154%, and guys, that is not much at all. I can see some massive gains coming in for Shiba Inu. How high can we go, or how low can we go for a retrace? Well guys, you're just gonna have to find out by sticking around for the show. So let's roll the intro. Hello guys and welcome to Total Crypto for another video where we show a complete transparency in terms of my trading video channels, so you can see exactly from a bullish to the bearish case scenario, and all importantly you can also cross-reference and use my previous videos to see exactly what could happen or what I have stated by the use and the powerful tool of the technical analysis. So let's dive straight into it. Right, so first of all, if we look for the monthly chart, that we have in fact broken up from the all important resistance line. Now whenever we do break up initially from the resistance, because we can see 1, 2, 3 monthly red candles, so it looks like we could quite possibly shoot straight up to the very top of up here. However, because it's a monthly chart, you won't see the choppiness of the chart, which means we could see quite a possible retracement back into the horizontal line right here with a higher confluence move back up to the upside. Now if we do retrace, let's say to that horizontal line, which is now the support to target right to the top there, that will give you exactly 139% move to the upside if you're an intraday trader. However, if you were a hodler, then you would more or less be accumulating more as we go down, because the likelihood is we could actually be going shooting straight up to a roughly around about, I believe, a half a cent to 1 cent mark. Yes guys, I know it sounds a bit crazy, but this is cryptocurrency space, and Shiba Inu has been in quite a few bull season, and I reckon this one will be even bigger for Shiba Inu, because one, they got a use case. Secondly, there could be an actual payment usage for Shiba Inu, and most importantly, they've been burning their Shiba Inu coins, quite a lot of their coins. So that means we could see a massive demand for Shiba Inu, which could parabolically move the price up to roughly around about a half a cent, which would be my target. But my ultimate target would be 1 cent, because I've been accumulating as we've been going down and up. So that's on the monthly chart. So let's dive down to the weekly chart. And on the weekly, as we can see, we've made that crazy move to the upside. And in my previous video, we've spoken about what if we do break up from here. And as we can see, we've been going sideways for the very longest time. And I mentioned if we do break up from here, it could be one massive move to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. So congratulations for any of you who has held for the longest and added more to your bags just before this crazy move to the upside. But looking further to the left, that gives us a confluence that, well, it gives us a probability of us maybe heading away 50% down to the move there. Reason why, because we look to the left, it looks like this is the all important area where we've broken up from, which was the resistance for the longest. Now it is the support, so it looks like this could be turning into a support. So we could see something like this, like that, and then hopefully push straight up to the upside. Now that is quite plausible, or otherwise, because if we once again look to the left, this could also be another area of liquidity right here, only until we break above here. Let's bring out the horizontal line. Here we are. If we do break up well above there, exactly where we tapped before heading right back down, then we can see a stronger move to the upside without any pullback. Now let's jump into the daily and see what the daily says. May have to zoom in a bit more, but it does get a bit funny. Oh, here we go. Reason why is because you can barely see the charts, which I do apologize, but in essence you can see exactly where I'm coming from. Alright, so as we can see that we have went completely parabolically up, that we are on the verge of pulling back down, and this could be an area right there for a decent retracement. If we zoom in a bit more, it looks like okay, it could be a continuation actually back up to the top. Reason why, because if you look at this red candle right over here, this red candle is in fact smaller than this green candle. This green candle is more or less engulfing the red. The red candle has got a little wick to the bottom, which is like a hammer candle. Whereas with the green candle, which we haven't closed off the day yet, if we remain to be a bigger candle than that red, I could only see us printing another green candle and blasting away and retargeting into this zone up there. Now, if that is to happen, you perhaps want to try to trade from the breakout from here to there. That will give you approximately around about 22% move to the upside. So that's great for intraday traders. If you are a hodler, you're looking to add more to your bags now. So as we move up, you get an additional 22% move to the upside. But if we do stale and that candle becomes the same level as the red candle or smaller, then that should be a continuation back down to the downside. In fact, I might actually just move this horizontal line, and that area could be a support because we do see a small indecision red candle right there. If you check my last video, you will see exactly that I mentioned that if we do break above from this indecision candle, that's a red one of course, then we could see either move to the downside or to the upside, and I'll be looking to trade the second it breaks either up or down. That's exactly what happened. So congratulations for anyone who took that trade. So guys, that will be it for this technical analysis for the Shiba Inu for now. So we're just going to wait and plan and see how it pans out for over the weekend. And guys, remember, over the weekend typically there's not much liquidity in the cryptocurrency, but seeing as we are in the midst of the bull season, we could see a lot more liquidity flowing in to the weekend. So it could be choppy or it could really blast away back up to the top. So if you haven't yet checked out my Patreon, please have a look to my Patreon. There's a link in the description below. Also, I'll take you to the page now, just so you have an idea. I'll do a 3 membership tier. So if you'd like to get a shout out and be actively involved within the Total Crypto family, you may do so over here, and that will give you the shout out for £1.50. So that means on every video that I do, you will get a call out and a shout out. So all you've got to do is subscribe, sign up to a membership, provide me with your name, and we can also build a community based upon that. If you like a super shout out and get all my videos before I launch on YouTube TV, one of the earliest people to receive my content, you may do so on the second package for £4.50, which means you'll be part of the Total Crypto family again. This time you'll be in for an early access of the content, Patreon only voting power, and Patreon only posts and messages, so that way we can stay interacting between all of us. However, if you also like to, or maybe you're only interested in picking up more trading tips, I can also help to coach individuals for $17 a month. It may sound a little and too good to be true. It's only because for me it's all about building the community, but most importantly getting everyone quickly up to speed, and this would actually cover my time also to spend on a one-to-one basis to try to teach you the fundamentals, the sort of skill sets that when you go to an actual trading event or trading, or I like to teach you and learn how to trade. They will talk so much between how you should be learning to trade, and they always leave that right towards the end with a little hook line or saying pay 1,000 some odd dollars. For me, it's very simple. All I'm going to teach you is the most basic thing. We're going to be trading on the demo account So if you'd like to find out more information about that, just click to join. You can ask more details, and I'll be happy to share that with you all. So yeah, guys. So this will be it. Hope you find my video useful and informative. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so over here. If you'd like to see my next video, click over here, and I will see you all in the next one.